Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 20 of the contract costing. This is from the CMA Inter Cost Accounting. Okay, let's discuss about this illustration. Please read the illustration here. Illustration number 20. Kapoor Engineering Company undertakes long-term contract which involve the fabrication to the pre-stressed con concrete block and reaction of the same on the consumer's life. The following information supplied regarding the contract which is complete on the 31st March 2017. Okay, amount, fabrication cost, these costs are given. This is the 280, direct labor 90, overhead this, total cost of production 4,45,000, cost of erection to date that is 15,000, total cost is 4,60,000, contract price is 8,19,000, cash to be received 6 lakh, cash received on account days. Technical estimate of the work completed on date, fabrication direct material 80%, direct labor and overheads that is 75%, erections that is 25%. It means company is estimating so far 2,80,000 material is used. That material is up to 80% of the total material required. Up to total material required. That is, what will be the total material required? Total requirement. Total requirement will be 2,80,000 divided by 0.80. Similarly, direct labor, this is the 90,000, and direct labor, this is the 75% of the labor, that is 0.75. This is overhead 75,000, this is 0.75. That is, it means what? An erections cost 15,000, that is 0.25. What I want to say here, please, 2,80,000 is here, 0.8. It means in actual it 3,50,000 material will be required. But up to date 2,80,000 material has been used. Still we have to use the remaining materials. This completion, the technical estimate of the work completed to date. This is the work completed. Okay, now in the case of direct labor 1,20,000, in the case of direct labor 1,20,000 direct labor is required. Out of that 90,000 already used. In the case of overhead 1 lakh overhead is required. Why 0.75? Because of direct labor and overheads completion stage is 75%. Remaining 25% still company will have to work. In the case of the erection cost, 15,000, that is 25% of total erection cost required. It means this will be the 60,000. This will be the 60,000. This will be the total cost required, and the total cost required is 6,30,000. 6,30,000. In this case, what is this asking to you? The estimated profit on the completion of the contract. Estimated profit on the completion of the contract. What will be the estimated profit that on completion of the contract? The contract price is 8,19,000 and this is the estimated cost. Then estimated profit will be 8,19,000 minus 6,30,000. The estimated profit will be 1,89,000. 1,89,000. Okay, this is a direct question. The estimated profit to be to date on the account, and how much profit is transferred to profit and loss account, that is asking to you. Okay, okay, I'm going to solve the questions here. A statement showing a statement showing computation of profit, computation of profit on completion of contract, completion of contract, contract and profit to date, and profit to date. This is a particular incurred to date, cost incurred, cost incurred to date, cost to be incurred, to be incurred. This is your total. Look at here, material 2,80,000, direct labor is 90,000, overhead 75,000, erection cost 15,000. This is the cost to date. Okay, these costs are already given here. 2,80,000 direct labor, direct labor 90,000, overhead 75,000, cost of erection 15,000. Okay, these costs are given in the proportion of this. This cost is incurred this much proportion. Remaining cost all you have to incur, you have to pay in this case. Okay, to be incurred. So this cost is 2,80,000. This is the 80% of the total cost. Remaining 20% still you have to, still the cost will incur, that is 70,000. Then 2,80,000 plus 70,000, 3,50,000 total cost required for material. Similarly, direct labor 90,000 is the direct labor incurred, that is total labor cost of 75%. Total labor cost, this 90,000 is 75% of the total labor cost. Remaining 25% still labor cost is required. That 25% will come. This is your 75%. This is 25%. This is 30,000. Okay. Now 75,000 overhead. This 75,000 of total overhead. It is saying direct labor and overheads are 75%. It means all the cost incurred for the overhead, that is 75% of the total labor cost. That is 75% the total labor cost. Still 25% is estimated to be incurred. That is 75%. Okay. Now still 25% estimated. That this is the 1 lakh. And this is what? This is 25,000. This is 25,000. Okay, this is 25,000. Now this is 15,000. Erection cost is 15,000. That erection cost is 25% of the total erection cost. 15,000 is a 25% of the total erection cost. Then what will be the estimated erection cost as well? This is 25%. That is 75% is still required. This is 45,000. 45,000. Okay. 25,000. Then estimated direct labor cost is 1,20,000. Estimated overhead cost is 1 lakh. Estimated erection cost is 60,000. Total estimated cost. Total estimated cost will be total estimated cost 6,30,000. 6,30,000. Okay. Calculation of estimated profit. A part answer. Calculation of estimated profit. Contract price minus estimated cost. What is contract price? Contract price is given 8,19,000. 8,19,000 and estimated cost is 6,30,000. 6,30,000 estimated cost. 8,90,000. 8,19,000. Estimated cost is 6,30,000. Rupees 1,89,000. 1,89,000. This is estimated cost. This you had to calculate in the first. Estimated profit on the completion of the contract. Now estimated profit to date on the contract. Estimated profit to date. Calculation of answer of B part. Calculation of estimated profit to date on the contract. To date on the contract. This is a method 1. Method 1. Profit to date. Estimated profit into cash received divided by contract price. What is the amount of cash received? Cash received amount is already given 6 lakh. Cash received amount is given 6 lakh. Contract price is rupees given 8,19,000. 8,19,000. Estimated profit 1,89,000 we have calculated. This is 6 lakh. This is 8,19,000. This is rupees 1,38,461. 1,38,461. Now method 2 can also be applied here. Method 2. Profit to date. Cost of contract to date. Cost of contract to date divided by total estimated cost. Total estimated cost into estimated profit. Estimated profit. Cost of contract to date. What is the cost of contract to date? Cost of contract to date is this much: 2,80,000, 2,80,000, 90,000 plus 75,000 plus 15,000. This is 4,60,000. 4,60,000. This is the cost of contract to date. 4,60,000. You write here 4,60,000. Total estimated cost. Total estimated cost is calculated as 6,30,000. 6,30,000. 6,30,000. Estimated profit 1,89,000. This is rupees 1,38,000. 1,38,000. Question is completed. Okay, thank you class. Please like, subscribe and share my videos.